Pioneers, it's Miss Tomberlane. I'm here to invite you to participate in Hurricane Harvey relief. Cupertino is going to adopt a school in Houston, Texas called C.E. King High School. They're the Panthers, and they've lost almost everything. Most of their students had to be evacuated during the hurricane because their homes were flooded. They're going to need school supplies and new socks and other clothes for school and all kinds of things. Their teachers are going to need new materials in order to teach. And I thought it would be awesome if we, the Cupertino Pioneers, adopted the Panthers and raised money to help them get started with their new school year. If you're interested in participating, there are going to be lots of opportunities at school, so please be on the lookout for donation opportunities in the next few days. Thank you for your generosity.